I like that part with the pinwheels and stuff. Hello guys, it's Marcus here, and today we're reacting to the Carpenters, and this song is called A Place to Hide Away. So I hope this is a good song, and I hope I like it, because I really like Carpenter songs, you know. So let's start this. This is probably Richard's house, I think. This is his YouTube channel, so I'm assuming. Let's turn up the volume. Goodness. This is such a graceful, majestic song, you know. It sounds so fancy. I like that part with the pinwheels and stuff. I like how she sang it. I might have to replay that later. You heard that overdub? Yeah. So heavenly, you know.
Dreams of the sleeping, love is for weeping. Oh, how I long to find a place to hide away.
You can see Richard there playing very nice with his piano. And I assume this is Doug Strawn or Bob Messenger, because they both play that tenor saxophone. It's just so majestic. I think I already said that earlier, but it just sounds so majestic.
But where can I buy another you? Dreams of the sleeping,
Love is for weeping.
oh, how I long to find a place to hide away.
That's a very, very pretty song. And you know, I really like it because it really puts you in a trance, especially that part with the bright colored pinwheels part of the song, because I really got hooked on that and I really dig it, you know. And I really love it. The instrumentals are classical. That's the usual Carpenters stuff that you'll find when you listen to a lot of Carpenters songs, especially the earlier years. So I really like it. That's all I really have to say about it. And can we replay that again in this part? I just want to clarify if is this the same outfit that she wore in the BBC concert? I think it's the same clothing. So yeah, probably is. And also I think Richard's also wearing the same clothing that he wore in the live at the BBC when they did a concert there. So I think it's very nice. And this is just a short video because that's all I really have to say. I don't have to exaggerate more, you know. And I really like it. It's such a calm tone. Calm instrumentals accompanied by calm vocals, nice piano, and that flute. I never miss out on a flute because it's a beautiful flute, you know. So I hope you guys leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you guys want me to react to more Carpenters reaction, feel free to comment down below because I'll definitely react to it. So I hope you guys leave a like. Peace.